I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest walking tour video. In this video, we will be exploring the stunning beaches of Estoril, Portugal, in glorious Fort Kelvin. Join me as we take a relaxing stroll along the coast, soaking in the sights and sounds of this beautiful location. Before we begin, I would like to request that you click the like button if you enjoy this video. It really helps to support my channel and lets me know that you appreciate my content.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Also, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, so you can stay up to date with all of my latest videos. As we start our journey, you will immediately notice the crystal clear waters and the soft sand between your toes. Estoril is a popular destination for tourists and locals alike, and it's not hard to see why. The coastline is absolutely breathtaking, with the deep blue of the sea contrasting beautifully against the green cliffs and lush vegetation. Our first stop is Praia do Tamariz, a charming little cove with plenty of cafes and restaurants nearby. This beach is particularly popular with families, thanks to its calm waters and easy access. As we walk along the shoreline, you can see children playing in the sand and families enjoying a day out in the sun. As we wrap up our tour, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the stunning beaches of Estoril with me. Don't forget to write a comment below and let me know what you thought of the video. And, of course, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel for more travel content filmed in stunning Fort Kelvin.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!